a chance to experience it the first fall we were here.
So you're with Brett and Lisa, Ida H2O Adventures, and we're going to Walter's Fruit Ranch to see the pumpkin patch and some live music, the corn maze.
In a quarter mile, take a slight right turn.
Pretty cool. Looks like a popular place.
Kind of reminds me of the Roll-Off Pumpkin Farm in Oregon, too. Waiting to get in.
Do a little Christmas tree farm here too.
And we have a reservation at 2 o'clock, so they do want you to have reservations for people coming in. There's some Christmas trees.
We're at Walter's Family Fruit Farm, and this is the sunflower patch, and you can pick sunflowers. You buy your vase inside and you fill it for 10 bucks. So everyone, it's Brett and Lisa with Ida H2O Adventures, and we're at Walter's Fruit Ranch in Mead, Washington. There's my sweetheart. These are just different areas. They've got live music. They've got a cider house, caramel apples, donuts, root beer floats, corn dogs. We just saw a little train take off with the kids in like 55-gallon barrels sideways. We'll get a video of that in a little bit. Looks like they've got little trail rides. There's a maze down there. People enjoying some stuff to eat, sitting at the tables. Live music is Lyle Morse. Here comes the wiggly ride with the kids in the barrels. Pretty cool. Hey Lynn. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey. One.
Yeah, nice tip jar. Hello, it's me. What are you tipping for?
What we do.
Fun day at Walter's Fruit Ranch. So we're leaving the Walter's Fruit Farm, and we came across this. It's Chevys and Corvettes for sale. What an assortment. I doubt that they're really for sale, but you never know.
amazing. Oh my God. This is amazing.
We just wanted to see what was going on. We wanted to see what was going on. We didn't mean to disturb. Beautiful. That's beautiful.
So amazing. Oh my gosh. I need to live here. It is Washington, so we don't. Sorry. No offense to Washington, but we are Idaho.
Offense to Washington.
No, but we're Idaho people. Sorry.
Washington's too much like California.
Just saying. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Trees. There in Mead, Washington. Oh my god. Such amazing little farms with, oh, look at this. More pumpkin farms. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. I don't know. Looks like it. Look at this. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Look at this view. Look, I'm back east. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. So beautiful. So we had fun today on our adventure at the pumpkin farm. There's many more to see.
Lisa and I had a wonderful time in the Green Bluffs area. Walter's Fruit Farm and many other family farms are in this area. Most are open for the weekends only through Halloween. Please check out the maps and lists we shared in this video. Well, we're going to end this adventure now. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Until our next journey.